diversity, it may be family wise, it may be genus and species, you know. So it may be generic level diversity, specific level diversity. ಈಗ ಒಂದು 4 ಮಂದಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಕೆಂಪಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೆಂಪಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಅದಾರ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. 4 ಮಂದಿ ಕಲರ್ನವ್ರು ಅದಾರ ಅದು ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. There should be variation in between black and white. Then only there will be diversity. So like that. So this is animal diversity. This is forest diversity. Next. This is types of forest. Different types of forest we have. Next please. So these are the different kinds of animals which we are saying. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಳಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಳ ಬಹಳ ಸುಧಾರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಿಂಗಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಕಾಲಜಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲಿಟಿ ಡಸಂಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ 10 years, so the house of the forest of the city, it will be submerged in its own waste. So because of that, nature has developed just like our municipality. In forest naga yaru madakangilla, yaru hogi kasa baliyappa neenu anta annake barangilla. Hanga nature has developed its own mode and modalities. So likewise, next anything which falls on the ground, that is known as litter. Not L-I-T-R-E, L-I-T-T-E-R. So this litter, to degrade it, there are several microbes. Next. So all microbes cannot degrade all the things. So these are on logs. These are known as polypores. Next please. Or again. Very good. Both are correct. So it has been used in the preparation of litmus to know acid and alkaline. And another, where it grows, it is an indicator that pollution indicator. Next please. So in India, what are the biodiversity rich areas? So how it comes? Eastern Ghats, it has got its own typical vegetation elements. Western Ghats, which is highest and richest in biodiversity, and another, that belt of northeast. That next please. Yeah, we have got bacteria in our own stomach. So that is Escherichia coli. So when we examine, so it is like this. Next please. So to identify certain things, actually when you go to MBBS doctor, sorry, anybody is here, he will be prescribing some 4 tablets. ಮುಂಜಾನೆ 4, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 4, ಸಂಜೆ 3 ದಿನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬರೋಬ್ಬರಿ. It doesn't need anything. Just you will be including all the things, and will be different. If he gives heavy antibiotics, then once again you will be going for some other doctor. Okay? So like that. So exactly what is what makes the difference between just a mechanic and a real worker? So the causal organism should be isolated, grown, should be known its life cycle, should be identified and should be known its life cycle, then only we will be able to control it. Likewise, so the isolated lactobacillus, if it is cultured, it will be like this, and we can, on culture it will be like this, with 100 eggs it will be like this, with more than 1000 eggs we will be seeing like this under microscope. Next please. See, these are the causes of bacteria. Next please. So this, see between MLOs, you know, anybody knows MLOs? mycoplasma-like organelles. So they are, earlier we thought that they were virus. So subsequently they were known as MLOs. They were in between virus and bacteria. Okay? So now they are called as mycoplasma. So they are. Then we can have, next please. Then we can have the virus like this, and the cold, it will be like this. Spread. Next please. Then all Colipidugu, the causal organism is this. Unless we understand or isolate the causal organism, we will not be able to give this. So for that one only MBBS doctor or a general physician, he will be giving just some 3-4 tablets. So one will affect. Yeah, these are nothing but fungi. Next please. See, nature, it had its own course of action for growing, absorbing and all those things. Because of our excess fertilizers and the chemical fertilizers, we have lost all these things. Rhizobium. Convince the students, what exactly, just keep on telling like this, no end for them. And whatever, so whatever we are seeing, so it should be seen by the audience. The same aim I have, each farmer should become expert in each and every disease infected plant which he is bringing. So I want to make him educated for this. Next please. So this is a scientist whom you are seeing. Next please. So this is my Doctor of Science YOBC exam. So 6 years they did give me. 94 I submitted my Telugu case thesis. I'll get one PhD, DSC. Next. So these are the microscope, and the entire life what I have earned is all these things. Next please. This, they cost around 10 one. Next please. So in this one only, in world we have 3. So these are known as black mildews. These fungi are known as black mildews, and so I was the first person. Take over. Namgu niti bardha, you niti bardha. Kya niti martiyo? Kya? Either there was a technique, just scraping and mounting, but when it was scraped, many things will go off. So for that, there was Vasegowda and Kapoor. In 1984, it has been published in Current Science. So that separate technique we got, and throw that one. So how it appears on the host, the same thing will be, you can see in the microscope. Next please. So these are the different kinds of things. Next. So these are different parts of that fungus. Next please. See, this is the spore. So when it falls on a correct host, so it germinates like this, and these are known as Aprosoria, these are thialides, and the function of these were not known. So I discovered that they are producing conidium, and these are the mycelial setae, and when it breaks, so these are the ascospores which they are coming, and I have studied this life cycle. Next please. See, all you talked about fungi, this and that. Then why you have to study fungi?